Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to enhance this handle here so you can carry this 5-gallon bucket comfortably, okay, like this one here. I found out that if you use 3/4 PCV pipe, look like this old one right here, this one right here, okay, so as you can see 3/4 is the best for this type of enhancement, handle enhancement. Okay, so it's going to be looking like this. Those of you who follow me, this is the same stuff that I put on my roof a couple of years back. And, I use this a lot to water my garden with it. So having a good handle is, your hand going to thank you, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do it. All you have to do, is 3/4 PCV pipe, all right? And basically what you want to do, you want to measure from here to here, okay? So you put it up like so, okay? And it's approximately around where my thumb is at. That's the length that I want, okay? Then I'm gonna use that to cut it out like so, okay? You can get this too as I got this at Home Depot a long time ago. All right, so after that's gonna fit right over the old handle, just like that, okay? So next thing you're going to do, you're going to take this out. And it's best if you use Vise grip, but if you don't, you can use plier. Basically, you see, if you look closely here, this thing, it looked like it's a hook thing, okay? It's just hooked on there, like so. So basically, what you want to do, put it on and unhook it. And this is where Vise grip is the best tool for this. Okay, let me go grab a Vise grip that way, because it's harder for me to do it one hand. Okay, here's my Vise grip. I just put it on like so. Okay, and then just hold on to the bucket and just twist it upward like that. Okay, see how it's worked. Just pull them out of there, okay? So once you take it out, now what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to slice it in like so, okay? Now the old plastic handle, it's good that you leave it like that. That way it can act as a bushing, okay? You just slide that over, and then you take this and you put the Vise grip on this thing like so, and you just put them back where that hole came from, like so, okay? Now if you don't have Vise grip, you can do it with regular plier, but it's harder for me because simply one hand holding the camera. And that's it, okay? There I go, good handle. And I'm gonna do the same thing to that one right there. You see when the plastic kind of like when it get old, it broke off, and I just tape it. It's best if you do it when the handle's still in good shape. That way, when you put it in, it's kind of like act like it's a bushing. Okay. So on this one, I'm gonna empty this bucket of water, and I'm gonna do the same thing with this. Okay, there it is. I cut a piece that approximately about the same or a little bit over that handle right there. Okay, so the length of this is depend on this area here and here. Okay, so that's why you just eyeball measure it like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so as you move in this, you can see in there the hook. It's kind of like go in like that. So you take your Vise grip and you put it on like so, clip it on, and then move it out like that. See how simple that is? Then you're just gonna slide this in like so. Okay, once it's in there, I'm going ahead and do this one. Clamp it on like so. Okay, now you're just gonna fit this thing on here, because the old handle should slide This thing should slide right over the old handle. There you go. Okay. Trust me, it's harder with one hand, but if you have two hands, it's really easy. There it is, okay? So now I'm gonna go and do it with this. Now this, yes, you see this one here, it's have a different style. It looked like it's a ball thing. Instead of having a hook, it have a ball. So here, let me yank it out. So this one even make it easy. You just pull it out. Probably need some help here. Okay, with this right here, because it's just a ball type. See how inside there just a ball. So this particular one, just clamp it on and pull it straight out. Okay, clamp it on, and this one here, you just pull them straight out. You see how this thing, let me unclip this slice. See how this handle is a ball type right there? Okay, so anyway, this particular one, I forgot to measure this. So basically, there's an old handle. So I'm just gonna measure it, eyeballing to about right there, and I'm gonna cut this piece out. Okay, like I said, if you don't have these tools, you can use a hacksaw. Okay, but the side here is, like I say, the size depend on this length right here. Okay, so you want it just a little bit longer than the handle itself. Then after that, you just slide this in. Oops. Slice in like so, and then this one here. See if I can just push this thing in. There you go. Okay, you just push it in, and now you're just gonna slide that handle into that PCV pipe. Like so. Okay, now you got a really good handle there. And then I believe this is also not, this is a hook type, because you can tell underneath here it's a little bit different configuration, but this one here is designed a little bit different. Same thing. Okay, put vice grip on there, and you bend this. Clamp on there, put the clamp on there, the vice grip, and just work away, loosen that hook out of there like so. Okay. Then take this vice grip off. Oops. And again, I forgot to measure this thing. So this one here is about yay long, about right there. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it off. So here I just cut it off. This thing just snap out of there. That's how old these PCV pipe is. We're just gonna slide this in. Okay, so as you can see, it fit right over there. Next thing you do is now you take put a plier. On here again, and then what you want to do is just align that hook right in there, like so. It's in. So now you have a really nice you know, it's a very good leverage. And you can carry this thing. You know, your hand will thank me for it. Well, that's all I got for this video. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.